สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sai. I'm back in the rice field again, and today I'm gonna come back with another local recipe, my grandma recipe of how to make tom yum fish. And this is the fish that we got from the local fisherman, like local villager. Just caught that, and then she just dropped in our house and just like, would you like some this white cod fish? And I was like, oh yeah, I want some of this. And right now we're gonna pick up some sadao khom. It's the tree behind me. It had the bitter taste flavor. I don't know why people like that, but my auntie gonna have that along with tom yum soup with rice. Let's go have a look and we go collect up this sadao khom. I'm gonna get the tip of it. Actually, I need to climb up on this thing, but they have a lower one. I'm gonna look which one I'm gonna get. The higher one as possible. Here you go. Get this. Acha! Have a look. Here is where you eat it. I'm gonna try and eat it fresh and tell you what it tastes like. I mean, it's obviously it's gonna taste bitty. Oh my god, super bitty. I don't understand. But then, out of the bitterness kick you in the mouth, it come with weird sort of aroma and then sweet into it, but still bitty. Anyway, not a fan. So auntie gonna have this one. We'll see if we can find another vegetable. Okay, so this is what the work that they're doing right now at the moment. In Thai we call Thai na. This plant you're seeing right now is a tamarind, and this is like little tamarind that have young tamarind leaf, which is give this sweet and sour. This is also one of my snack when I was a little kid. Sour. I much prefer this one. So we're gonna collect some of this to put it in our tom yum soup. I got goosebumps from eating that bitter vegetable. I like this one. And here's what I got. I'm gonna continue to collect them more. Guys, you see someone? You see something up there? I'll show you. That's my auntie climbing up the tree, getting that bitter vegetable. Okay, so we got about 1 cup of tamarind young leaf. Now we're gonna go make the fire and then start to making the tom yum soup. I'm gonna wash my hand from the charcoal. Nice fresh water. It's very nice here. And that actually this one also have the fish. You can come and fishing here. Alright guys, now I'm gonna make some tom yum fish soup, the local style. And here's my wok. I'm gonna add the wok in. Actually I put too much charcoal, so just organize it a little bit. And you can see behind me now my auntie starting to have their breakfast, and the worker they're joining us. That's my uncle in the back. So we have the wok over here. We're gonna add some water, but here's the thing about this fish is taking so long for them to cook through softly. The meat's very tender, so you need to put it right away with the soup. Now I'm gonna add water in the wok now. I like a lot of soup in here. And add some tamarind in here. I recommend you to add some salt. Completely forget about the salt. Here we got tamarind. Here we got our sourness from this tamarind and the tamarind leaf. But tamarind leaf, we will add it after. And also some galangal, fresh galangal, digging from the soil in the backyard. My auntie get this for me though. She's very supportive of me. Every morning she just get everything ready for me. And here's do you see the difference between the homegrown lemongrass? They're not as big as like you buy in the market, but there's also a very good, like you could say it's organic. We don't put any chemical in here or fertilizer in here, so it's very good for the body. Smash them first for them to release the oil. Add it in. And this is one of my favorite. You don't have to put it in, but when it comes to tom yum soup, I like to put the shallot in here. The shallots give the sweet taste to it, and so it's very good when you eat it, like when it cooks. Oh, the water is now bubbling. Now we're gonna add the fish in. Ooh. Now don't stir it now, because it's like this is the most important part. Do not stir as soon as you put fish, meat, chicken, because it's gonna be like fishy. You can see the water there. Don't stir it, because this thing, you see this white thing that come out from the fish, that causing the fishiness. So you need to cook that through, and when it release the bubble, you scoop that bubble, throw it out. That is gonna come in like in the form of bubbles. So not just leave it alone. You can add the herb in, but do not stir. Here is the bubble, so you scoop it out, gentle. While we wait for the fish to cook, let's have a look what we had in here. Some stir-fried rice noodles, pumpkin curry with some pork, and this one is bon, which is I think this is one type of plant, and they make it soup, putting some chili, fermented fish sauce, and some MSG, nothing much in there. And omelette Thai style. The fish bread curry that I do in the last vlog is a leftover. We eat it today too. And this one is spicy bamboo with free range chicken. This is like a free range chicken from the house. The meat is very tender. I like this one so much. And we got rice in the plastic bag, water and dessert over here. Set it up. I'm actually gonna have some small meal over here while we're waiting for the fish to cook. Guys, snake, literally snake in Taobao head. She's in one of those pole. I'm gonna show you. Maybe it's a gecko, but it looked like snake. You see that? You see him? See that little one? Hello? And my auntie just like laying here. We literally just here. And he hang around over there. I'm gonna do the test. I haven't put any seasoning other than the tamarind itself, no salt, and we're just gonna do this test. Sour and sweet. So now all I have to do is just put some pork seasoning and some fish sauce. You add the fish sauce in. It's nice aroma, and some pork seasoning is a must to balance all the flavor together, just to bring some energy in the bag. And because we're not gonna stir it, what we're gonna do is use this one, get the soup and pour it over. Get this one, get the soup and pour it over. And now we're gonna add the young tamarind leaf on here and some coriander and spring onion. Here's the tamarind leaf. Whoa, look at this. And here you have it, tom yum fish. Smells so good. I really want you to try this out. The recipe is eyeball measuring. You want some spicy, you can crush some fresh chili in, or you can add chili flake, which I think my auntie gonna do it. Now we are going to do the test of this fish. Let's try. There's a soup and the fish, you just drizzle it on top. Get some of that tamarind leaf. Get some of that shallot. Like it so much with the shallot. Here. Get the tamarind leaf in here. See how it goes. Sour. Just like how I like it. The tamarind leaf release that sourness and sweet aftertaste. Still crispy. And here is the shallot. The shallots will turn clear. Let's taste. Sweet. So sweet. And here's the fish. Let's try the fish. The fish like, oh, and there's an egg. Been so lucky lately. Here's the fish egg. The fish egg, just so little. Have you ever seen shrimp's egg? The orange one. That one, just like that, but white, sort of cream color. Not sure if you can see it from here. And the texture is super creamy. Super creamy. When you eat a fish or frog in the village and you find the egg, it was just like jackpot. Let's try the meat of the fish. It'll be a little bit noisy. Now the tractor are back in business. The fish now just melt in your mouth. Just melted your mouth. So good. ป้าน้อมลองชิมให้ฉันดิว่ามันเป็นยังไงรสชาติลองชิมสิลองชิมดิว่ารสชาติมันเป็นยังไงอร่อยไหมอร่อย I like to add sour. I like to eat sour, which is yummy, but it's so sour. Just like it's so sour. You put so much tamarind. It's like when she's eating salty and when she eats chili. For her, it's just like, nope, it's not salty, it's not spicy. Now, karma come around. If you like this type of video, you want to see more of this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like and share my video. If you have any recommendation, any opinion, don't forget to comment down below too. I'll be answer all of your comment. Until next time, I hope you guys have a good day. Bye bye.